Anything is possible. It started with a dream. Our passion made a difference and built a family.
Hello and welcome to Libby Stamps. I'm Libby Dyson, an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia. And today I'm just going to do a quick video on how to use this bow tying tool, which I have for sale for $15. Which includes postage Australia-wide. Plus you get a free handout as well with coloured photos, step-by-step directions. But I thought I'd just do this video to show you what you can do. Alright, so here's a single bow, and I'll just undo it so I can reuse it. And you can make the loop as tight or as loose as you like, and it makes a nice flat bow. So you've got 4 pegs. Now to make the single bow you really only need 2 of those pegs, so I'll remove 2. You can leave them in, but just so you can see more clearly I'm removing them. Alright, then you need to decide how large you want your bow. So if you're using baker's twine, I usually only do 2 sticks together, or you can do one in the middle, or you can make it as large as you like just by moving the pegs. Alright, so I'll do one like that, so it's got 2 in the middle so you can see what I do. So I start off by taking the ribbon, and I usually work with a roll of ribbon, and because I'm right-handed I put it on my right, but I've just got a piece today. So take the ribbon and put it behind the 2 pegs. Bring the 2 ends to the front and cross them over. Then take the one that's on the top and push it under the bottom one and through the holes made by the distance of the peg. Try and keep the ribbon straight and then pull. And this gives you your loops. Bring the back piece over to the front, cross it to your left, take it under the other one, so it's like tying a knot. Bring it through the loop and pull. As I said, you can have a tight or loose. So that's a loose one. That's quite nice at that distance. Alright. Also, while you've got it on your bow tying tool, you can tidy up the ends by bringing the 2 ends together and pinching them, and then using a pair of snips to cut the ends so that they're even. So that's our single bow. Now it lies flat, so if you're doing a card you can put a piece of ribbon across your card and adhere it. Then you can add your bow on top and it's still got little ends to it. People will think you're really clever. Add a couple of glue dots to the back. You can pull the ends down and you can mite them or do whatever you like. Alright, so that's our single bow. Then we come to our multi-loop bow. I got a bit carried away here, but I've got small loops here and large loops. So again, I'll just untie this piece of ribbon so I can reuse it. Alright, I'll bring my bow tying tool in, and I'm going to move a peg into the middle, so I've got 2 pegs with 1 space between, and then I'm going to put these pegs on the outside just for the purposes of the video to make sure you can see it clearly. Again, Start in the middle and bring your ribbon around with the roll on your right if you're right-handed, or your left if you're left-handed. It doesn't make any difference. So put the ribbon around the back, bring it over, and you're going to make a few loops. So you're going to take it around a couple of times. You're going to do, so you've done a couple around there. Then you're going to move your ribbon to the outside. Move both of them to the outside. Cross over. This is going to be huge. And roll it around so you've got two there. Cross over in the front. Take the ribbon through the middle of the smaller loops. Bring it over the top of the smaller loops, straightening it up as you go. And then you're going to tie your knot as you did before, just like that. And then pull tight. You want to pull this one fairly tight. And then you can remove it. Now you can remove it by slipping it up, or you can just take the pegs out. It's up to you, whichever is easiest for you. And there we have our multi-loop bow with our bow maker. So you can do singles, multi-loop. The method is the same for whatever bow you use and for whatever trim or ribbon that you use. So that's it for now. Thanks so much for stopping by.
Together, you
Bye
know
for
it's
now.
all because everybody plays a part in doing what we love.